Are you ready for a Halloween recipe to spook the kiddos? Well, I'm gonna make one today. It's called Frog Eye Salad. Frog Eye Salad. I need to start by boiling this pasta. It's called acini de pepe. And they look like frog eyes. Cook for 11 minutes. I've got a can of crushed pineapple. I need to save a 1/4 cup of juice. Big bowl, add that juice. 1 1/3 cup of milk. 1/4 cup of sugar. And some instant vanilla pudding. Beat for 2 minutes. I'm gonna mix in a little green food coloring. Drain and rinse with cold water. Add those eyeballs. Add crushed pineapple. I'm adding a cup of marshmallow cream. A cup of mini marshmallows. 1/2 cup of flaked coconut. And a can of drained mandarin oranges. And I'm gonna stir in some whipped topping. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. I've covered it and now I'm gonna refrigerate it for a couple hours. Frog Eye Salad. Let's try it. Love those eyeballs. Where does a frog go to get its eyes tested? The hoptician.